Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to solve this 2025 MIT Integration Bee Qualifying exam question. Alright, the antiderivative of e to the s plus 1 over e to the s plus 1 ds. Alright, observe that you can break the top down. It turns out to be the antiderivative of e times e to the s over e to the s plus 1 ds, right? So I can bring e to the front because it's a constant, right? So I have e times the antiderivative of e to the s over e to the s plus 1 ds, right? Now, you have e to the s plus 1. What if you take derivative of this one? So I'm going to take derivative of this one to see what happens. Does that mean derivative of e to the s? It could be e to the s ds, right? Derivative of 1 is could be 0, right? So, look at the top right here. E to the s ds, right? I can replace this guy with this guy right here. Alright, so this guy turns out to be e times antiderivative of d of e to the s plus 1 over e to the s plus 1, right? Now you have the formula antiderivative of ds over s is going to be natural log of absolute value of s plus c, right? Now look at this one right here. This guy and this guy, they're both the same, so you can apply this formula. So it turns out to be e times natural log of absolute value of e to the s plus 1 plus c, right? Now, since e to the s is positive number, and if you add 1, it's always positive, right? So you can remove the absolute value side right here without changing anything. So it turns out to be e times natural log of e to the s plus 1 plus c. This one is the final answer. If you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment, and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand